Hello, welcome back YouTube. I'm here with another great video for something else you can learn how to do. This is the 2004 Nissan Murano. I'm here to fix the right side brake, front brake, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm about to take off the tire in a little bit and just secure it really well. You want to put like something behind the tire to support it so it won't roll back. Okay. Right now, we're going to take off the tire. Okay everyone, what we're using, this is the brake. This is the caliper right here. We're gonna unscrew these bolts here, one from the top, one to the bottom of the brake, to just take the caliper off. And this is the brake pads that we're using here. That's for the front. And supplies we're gonna need, just a screwdriver here. We're gonna push this back here after taking it off. And just some regular tools, and just a bracket here that's to push the caliper in so the brake can fit the proper way. So let's get started. Okay, what you need is this is size 14. This here fix the caliper screw here. So you just want to take this off here. Take this off here. Ooh, the gloves were torn, so it's okay. Okay, took off this screw on the top. Took out this one here from the bottom. Okay, that's out. And you're gonna get your flat. What's the flat screwdriver? You want to take off the caliper here. At this point here, y'all, you want to support this here. You don't want this to fall because you don't want anything to come loose. So just support it on top of the brake. Okay. I mean, of the rotor. Just put it on top of the rotor. Okay, these are brake pads here. So you want to just take it out here. Take one out right here, other side. It just sticks back off in there like this. Just stick back off in there like that. You want to get your brake pads here. Push the brake up, put it on that side, and this side right here, do the same thing. So it's just a clamp right there. Just actually stick it in the groove. Push it inside just like that. So what you want to do is next, you want to get the caliper, put it up here on your rotor. You want your old brakes, put it right behind it. So,
oh.
Alright, how you doing? Just want to loosen this up here. Put your bracket on just to support it. Then you want to push this in tight to your caliper. Push in. Just want to keep on turning it. it's going to push all the way in. Because you want to be able to fit your brakes on there. So that's in. So just loosen it up. Take the old brake off. See how the caliper is pushed flat? Pushed all the way in. So just put, it'll make the brakes fit, see, right on. Yeah, once you do that, it's really simple. Just make sure that you line this up. Put the screw in here. Got a bit down, a little bit down. Just want to put the bottom just a little bit. And then you want to get your size 14 again. You want to tighten it up now. Just to the right, you loosen it up. To the left, you tighten it up. You want to tighten it up until it's really tight. Yeah, brake job is real simple. Just pads. You want to make sure that they're good and tight. You don't want anything to come off there when you're driving. So the reason I show y'all this guy because I enjoy working with my hands, so just something to keep me busy while this coronavirus going on. Staying at home, just keep myself busy. Like I say, nothing to do, so why not? Okay, that's good and tight, y'all. So what we do now, put back on the tire. You want to pump your brakes until they go really, really hard. When you pump the brakes, you're good to go. Okay, everyone, this is the finishing on putting the brakes on. If you just like what you just seen, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe on my channel. I have so many videos to show you. And if you want to know how to do something, just put a comment down below. If I can do it, I'll definitely show you how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.